First, you'll need to prepare the pie crust. Combine 1¼ cups of all-purpose flour with half a teaspoon of salt in a food processor. Add in half a cup of cold, cubed, unsalted butter, pulsing until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Then, gradually add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ice water until the dough starts to come together. Be mindful not to overmix. Now shape your dough into a disc, wrap it in plastic, and chill for at least 30 minutes. While your dough is chilling, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. When your dough is ready, roll it out into a 12-inch circle and transfer it to a 9-inch pie dish. Trim any excess dough and crimp the edges for a decorative touch. Using a fork, prick the bottom of the crust, then line the crust with parchment paper and fill it with pie weights. Bake for 15 minutes, remove the weights and parchment, and bake for another 5 to 7 minutes. Next, it's time to make the lemon filling. In a medium saucepan, whisk together 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually whisk in 1½ cups of water and cook over medium heat until the mixture thickens. In a separate bowl, whisk 4 large egg yolks. Slowly pour some of the hot sugar mixture into the egg yolks, whisking constantly. Then pour the egg mixture back into the saucepan and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Remove from the heat and stir in 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, half a cup of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Pour this delightful lemon filling into your baked pie crust. Now, onto the meringue. Beat 4 large egg whites until foamy. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar and, while continuing to beat the egg whites, gradually add half a cup of granulated sugar. Beat until stiff, glossy peaks form. It's time to assemble and bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the meringue over the lemon filling, making sure to seal the edges. Bake the pie for 12 to 15 minutes or until the meringue is golden brown. Finally, allow the pie to cool at room temperature for a few hours, then refrigerate until you're ready to serve. And there you have it, a perfect lemon meringue pie made right in your own kitchen. Enjoy!